Hi, tutors and mates. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I'm going to answer a couple of questions related to the video. So the first question is, what is didactics? So according to the video, didactics are how we teach or the way we teach any any subject. In this case, mathematics. So that's in general terms what didactics is how the way we teach something. Question number two is, what is important the didactics? So didactics are important since they allow us to transmit knowledge, to impart knowledge. So in this case, didactics are going to help us how from the basics, let's say the basics until the most advanced basics. So this, in general terms, after watching the video, is what didactics means. Question number three is, according to the video, what is the main difference between Singapore lessons and the American lessons? Well, the Singapore lessons has have to do with, let's see, chapters, themes, subjects, while the American, it's about lessons. So this is the main difference. And by the way, the American books are split into 150, let's say, lessons. All right. So number four says, according to the video, Dr. Gardner is more inclined towards Singapore books or American books, and why? So according to my perception from the video, the doctor is more inclined to the Singapore lessons since they allow us to go little by little, step by step. So while the American books, it jumps into a lesson to another, and there is no time to, let's say, to grab that information. So according to my way of thinking, he is more inclined to the Singapore books rather than the American books. And the last question is about, what do you think of the didactics of mathematics after watching the video? Well, as I mentioned earlier, so the didactics of mathematics really, it's really important due to the fact that we need to find a way, a process in how to teach mathematics, not only mathematics but any other subjects. In this case, particularly, is math. So for me, as a future teacher, I think it is totally important to use the didactics of any kind, in this case mathematics, in order to impart, to transmit knowledge to others. So that's why it's a good idea to keep in mind, try to work on this, reflect on it, and apply it and put it into practice as future teachers. In this case, as Tony Gardner says, didactics matters. Thank you very much, and see you soon.